Have you ever sat in front of ChatGPT or DeepSeek, typing the same kind of questions and getting the same kind of answers? I did too. I wanted something different, something that would help me come up with real, unique, money-making ideas. Not the recycled 10 online businesses anyone can start, but ideas that felt like they were built just for me. That's when I realized it's not just about the AI, it's about the prompt. So I started crafting deeper questions, ones that forced the AI to think like a strategist, like a founder, like an innovator. And the results were what started as a fun side experiment turned into something way bigger. Today, I'm excited to share it with you. The Deep Prompt Generator, a small desktop app that helps you ask smarter questions and get smarter answers. Whether you want to start a side hustle, launch a product, or just explore what's possible, this tool helps you dig deep. And here's the best part. You can download the light version completely free, and if you love it, the pro version unlocks everything. Download the app. Checkmark light version free. https://bit.ly Deep Prompt Generator Lite. Unlock pro version. Full access. https://bit.ly Deep Prompt Download. If you're ready to stop asking basic questions and start uncovering brilliant ideas, then this is the tool for you. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the App Vault. Tiny tools, big impact.